Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanibonani, igama lami Mathabiso, Chamane. I'm a founder of Khanya, Nomalanga Healing Institute. We specialize in, our main product is CMOS, and then all other herbal health herbs. We also have Xiang Healing and also CBD products. The reason of us starting like this business was because of the high lifestyle like esiphilayo manje, which is very stressful. So we thought instead of us like consuming like amaphilisi and like how expensive it is, like to go to hospital, then we come with a prevention way, which is nature heals. So we have like the natural product which they prevent, and promote healthy lifestyles. So it boosts your immune system and also give you energy. So for me, it also assisted me a lot with anxiety due to the stressful even like work that I'm doing. Okay. So you can get hold of us, like we've got like an Instagram page, which is Khanya Nomalanga, and we also have like our Facebook page, which is also Khanya Nomalanga. But we are based in Centurion and we courier our products all over South Africa. Okay. Hi, my name is Mathabiso. I'm a township entrepreneur.